Sara Peters.
And I'm Matt Peters.
And we got a copper penny metal roof with shield exteriors, and we couldn't be happier. So the best thing about Shield is their accident-free warranty. So that sets them apart from everyone else in the industry, because I know nobody else in the industry has an accident-free warranty. So like I was mentioning about the storm last year, we get quite a bit of storms out in the country here, and whenever we have a storm, I know that I don't have to worry because we have a lifetime of peace of mind. In that if there is storm damage, like regardless of what happens, Shield has our back and they're gonna take care of it and they will repair it or replace it. So I don't have to worry about that. That's one less thing to have to worry about.
I heard them advertised a lot on TV. And when I had other roofers come out and give estimates, they like to offer the lifetime warranty for their product, like the shingle has a lifetime warranty. But then if you have actual storm damage or something, they're not going to come out and fix it unless you pay them. So that was I had one roofer call me and ask me, what set, how come you chose Shield over us? And I said, really? I said, it came down to the lifetime warranty. That was the biggest thing for me.
They did, yeah. They offered several different financial options that made it really easy to choose what worked out best for us. I am definitely a perfectionist. I like things to go smooth. I like things to go as expected. They did a great job from the beginning with when we had the quote, they came out and take pictures, and then we met with Zach was our salesman. He was phenomenal, gave us a great presentation, really showed us what set Shield apart from everybody else. And then the process of actually getting the roof, it was done in 2 days. They were fantastic. There was no mess, there was no residue. Like, you wouldn't even have known that they were here except for the beautiful roof that we got.
Yeah, out of the entire remodel process for the house, that was the most hassle-free part of the entire process.
Absolutely. That's amazing, because we do think about leaving this place to our kids and having this be a place that they could come and spend with their kids and, you know, our potential grandkids. And so that is definitely a consideration that we don't have to worry about it. And if our kids, you know, decide they want to take over this place, they don't have to worry about it either. So yeah, it's amazing.
We're the next owner. If we sell this place, that definitely added a ton of value to our property and our home.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, his sister had some damage on her roof from the storms as well, and she actually used Shield as well to replace her roof and had a great experience as well, and she loves her new roof. So we would 100% recommend them to everybody.
Yeah, she actually had a tree fall on her house during that derecho storm, and spent a long time trying to figure out how to fix it. When it came down to getting the new roof, she had mentioned it to me, and I said, you've got to call Shield and get them to come out and give you a quote. I said, you can't beat that lifetime warranty. She's got a lot of trees around her property, around her house, so if it happens again, she's covered. So that was, she had them come out and several other companies, and she's like, yeah, without a doubt, I gotta have that lifetime warranty and go with Shield.
Shield Exteriors Roofing, protecting what matters most.